Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to take you through a walkthrough of the dashboard and all of the menus and everything inside of your Systeme.io account. So I am using my other account, which is my free account as well. And I'm just going to take you through all of the different menus. So up here at the top, you have your dashboard. Right now we are on the main dashboard. So any sales that you make will show up here. Any new leads that you make will show up here. I'm going to turn my cursor on. So anybody that opts in to your email list, you'll actually get live updates over here on the right-hand side. If somebody makes a purchase, if somebody signs up for a subscription, anything like that, you'll see those live updates here. Then you can go back up to dashboard, click on affiliate dashboard, and this is where your affiliate link will be. So you can give your affiliate link out from day one. Right down here, you'll see promote Systeme.io and earn 50% lifetime commissions. So yes, Systeme.io is an absolutely free funnel builder and email autoresponder. But if somebody signs up with your affiliate link and then decides, 3 months later to upgrade to the $27 a month or even the $97 a month, you will receive those 50% commissions. And this right here is your link. This whole thing is your link. Okay, so you can copy that link, give that link out. And if people click on it and sign up, if they decide to upgrade, you will get commission payouts for that. So they do have marketplace offers and different programs and courses and things that you can buy to include be an affiliate for. So there are other courses in here that you can actually sell to other people and make commissions on those as well. Anybody that signs up, you'll see your leads down here. Any sales you make, you'll see down here. And then when they make a payment to you, you'll see that invoice down here. Okay. And they pay, you're going to have to look at their payout schedule. It takes about 30 days to get a payment, and then you get paid every 30 days. Then you have the marketplace, and this is what I was talking about, where you can actually come in here and become an affiliate for some of these products. They tell you like how many commissions, the rate of commission you get paid out, and like how many sales have been made. So you can actually see the ones that are actually doing really well. So if you want to click on a different category, and you can just see just those info products, and you can kind of see the ones like this one right here, bestseller, the 10K fast lane. This one's doing pretty good. It's got a 50% commission rate. The second tier, there's no upsell. And then how many commissions have been paid out in the last 30 days. So you can come in here and promote any one of these courses that you want. Then we're going to go back to the top. And if we click on contacts, you will see all of your contacts here. Okay. Everybody will be inside of here. You can do filters if you got to try to find someone, put their email address in here to try to locate someone's email address in their account. Then you've got tags. Now we're going to go over tags in the email marketing module. But basically, I use tags to tag people for whether they buy a product, purchase a product, if they've joined a Facebook group, things like that, if they're on a wait list. But with the free plan, you can only have one tag. I would save that tag for your buyers. And it's very easy to create a tag. You just click create, you put the name of the tag, hit save, and then your tag has been created. Then we go over here to funnels. We click on funnels, and this will be your list of funnels. You are only allowed to have 3 funnels total in your account on the free plan with 15 steps. And what that means is each one of these is a step. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. Okay, so I can have 8 more steps in 2 other funnels. Okay, so that is the limits within Systeme.io for free plan. And then you come over here to emails, and you've got newsletters, campaign, and statistics. So campaigns are the things that you're probably going to use the most, and you can only have 1 email campaign on the free account. And with what we're doing right here and how I'm actually showing you, that's enough. You don't need any more campaigns. So once you click on the campaign, that's where you actually put all of your emails, how often they're going to get it, what delay between the emails, how many contacts are at that step, how many emails have been sent, gives you your open rate, your total clicks, and then if there's any comments. Then you have your newsletters. Now, newsletters are something that you send like after they've gone through your initial funnel. Then you want to send them out an email once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, once a day. It's really up to you how often you email your list, but the list is a relationship that you're building with your customer, whether it's a customer or just a lead. So if you build a really good relationship with your lead, they'll become a customer. So don't think that you're emailing them too much. Think you're not emailing them enough. And that's a good rule. That's a good rule of thumb. And then, of course, your statistics of your emails so that you can see how well your emails are performing. Then you got blogs. Now, I know a lot of you probably didn't realize this, but you can actually build a website on Systeme.io. It's just called a blog. And if you click create, and you can pick a template, so you can preview a template so you can actually see what your website would look like, and you could put this together just as you would a regular funnel. But it's a blog, it's a website. You have your links up here to your other pages. It's actually really cool. I've built myself a blog. Then you have your automations, you've got rules, and you've got workflows. We're not really going to work on rules. You can have one automation rule, but that's done inside of your funnel. And then your workflows, this will be for your buyers. Okay, so you have one tag, you tag them as a buyer, and then you set up a workflow to actually take them off of your opt-in email campaign and then send them a buyer's email, basically congratulating them. Here are your next steps. And this workflow, once activated, will start that process. Okay. Then you've got your products. You can sell physical products. You can have orders. You can see all your orders. You can have any coupons. If you set up any coupons, like say you want to have, say your product, you're selling the course for $9.97 and you want to have $100 off, you can do a $100 off coupon, things like that. You can actually do a course here inside of Systeme.io. So if you want to take this product that you've purchased, the Learn and Earn Profits Online, download all the videos, and then create a course here inside of Systeme.io and just sell the course here. You can do that. You don't need to have a community. You can have a course. And they do allow you to have one course with unlimited students. Okay. So there is a lot that you can do inside of Systeme.io on the free plan, which is pretty amazing. Then you have communities. Now I have built one of these. I'm not a fan. I don't like it at all. So I don't use that. So then you get your sales. So any sales that come in, and once you start accepting payments, you will start to come to this section so you can see all of your transactions. And these are all the transactions that you've had inside of your Systeme.io account. Anybody that's on a subscription plan, you can see them here. Okay, so if you get people that are on a monthly plan, $110 a month, then they'll show up here. So you can actually track their subscription. Any affiliate invoices, if you can manage your own affiliate program here. So if you want to build that course and then have affiliates sell it for you, you can build your own affiliate program, and those are right here. So you have your affiliate invoices and your affiliate program. Then lastly, you've got your settings, and we're going to go through these. I saved these for last. You actually have to fill this information in. This is all my old information. You actually have to fill all this information in order to receive payment. So make sure you fill this out. Then you go into account settings so that you can set your time zone, your date format, and your time format. On my plan, you can actually see the plan that you're on. So if you want to upgrade, this is where you would go. Your payment gateways, this is how you would set up your Stripe. This is where you would set up your PayPal. Then manage your subscriptions if you have any, if you've subscribed to any courses or anything like that. Your mailing settings, this is where you would go to set up your professional email address. You actually have to click to confirm it. Systeme.io will send you an email to that address. You have to click on the button or the link in that email in order to get this status to say verified. If you don't see your email, go to your junk or your spam. It's in there. And then you got to add your domain. Now, if your domain says pending here, don't worry about it. As long as it says ready to use in custom domain section, it will eventually flip. Then down here, we want to leave this alone. We don't want to do a double opt-in. You put your sender name here, a test email where it's going to go. And then if you wanted to put like a static footer, something that's at the end of every single one of your emails, you could put that here. And then you would just click save and save all your information. Any course settings, if you want to do a course, your payment page setting, like your US dollar, if you take a different currency, go ahead and select that. Your sales funnel setting, if you want any tracking code, which we're not going to go over that. Affiliate program settings, if you have an affiliate program. And then your custom domains. This is where you would actually connect your domain, your custom domain. You would click on, once it said ready to use, you would click on these three dots and click make this domain my default domain, right? If you use ActiveCampaign, that's an email autoresponder. This is where you would put the API information. This is your affiliate commission payout information here. Then you've got your notification settings so that you can get emails, send an email when I've made a sale. When a new comment is added, I'm going to take that one off. When a new comment is added to a community, when I've made a sale as an affiliate, okay? Workspace member, so you can add people to your workspace to help you manage your actual system, okay? So that's a brief run through. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take you inside of a funnel, and kind of show you around and some of the different things that you can actually do inside of Systeme.io. All right, before you actually get started. So we're just going to click on this edit over here. And there's so many different ways that you can do these funnels, okay? But as you can see, I've got 3 columns here, and that's so I could get this over here on the side versus right in the middle where her face is, right? So I just added a row. So there's different sections, there's different rows, and there's different elements, okay? So the sections are in green, all right? And you can do so many things with the section. If you click on the settings wheel, all of your settings are over here on the left-hand side. If you just scroll through these settings, you'll see some of the things that you're allowed to do in the settings. So if you look at the full page, we're going to do small, right? And that's how it looks, small. We're going to do full page, okay? So just play around with it. The padding, this will lift this up or down, right? Just play around with it to see how you like it, okay? And then you could do shadows. Now, this desktop and mobile, when you're selecting this section, again, remember which one you've selected to go in the settings. When you're selecting this section and you want to change it to just desktop only, then that means they won't see it on the mobile. If you just want to change it to mobile only, they won't see it on the desktop. So that's what that means, okay? Down here at the very bottom, you'll see this little desktop and this little phone. If you click on the phone, you'll get to see what they'll be able to see on the phone. So you see it looks kind of weird. It's covering her face, so why is she even there, right? So you could change this section to show only on desktop. So we'll take it off of mobile, and then we'll see the mobile, and you'll see the difference, okay? And that's that whole section. So we took this off so we don't see it. See, it says desktop only, okay? So we're going to change that back. I put that back on mobile, okay? So let me go back, and you see it's back, okay? So each one of these over here is an element. You've got your text, your headline, a bulleted list, a content box, image, video, audio, carousel. Yep, they do carousels. They only go up to 4 columns. A form input would be like this name and email. That's a form input. And each one of these elements are actually labeled, so you can actually tell what kind of element it is. If you hover over it, you'll see it's a button. You'll see it's a form input. You'll see it's a text. All right. You can add Facebook comments, Twitter share buttons, surveys, a countdown clock, a menu, a horizontal line. Like I can put a line like right up here, right? There's my line. Okay, you've got a row, you've got a section, raw HTML, and then frequently asked questions. So these are all different types of elements. Just play around with them, okay? You won't break anything. Just play around with them. But sometimes getting the picture in the back or the picture on the row. So just make sure whichever you're clicking on, the section or the row, that's what you're editing, okay? So I've got the picture set up because you can see the green line that goes around the entire picture. So I've got the picture set up on the background of the section. On the row. Oh no, okay, so there's 2, so the section is, the background is not on the section, the background is on the funnel. So up here at the top left, you'll see the word settings, and then you'll see the picture right here, background image. If we take this picture out, that's what happens, okay? So if you click the little cloud, you can upload a picture or you can actually add one of your own images. So if we upload, we're going to select a file. Okay, that looks weird, but that's what I'm going to put there. All right. Now down here, if you scroll some more, now this is very important on your settings. It's your search engine optimization. So it's what's going to show up here in the tab up top. And then what they'll see if when you send them a link and it previews. So here's the description. You want keywords in there. So here's some more keywords. Put your keywords in here, your author, and then of course your social image. So when you send them a link, that's what's going to show up is that image you put in here. And it's this one for me. Okay, so I'm going to hit save changes, or no, I'm not going to actually hit save changes. But the settings up here are super important, okay? So I'm going to take this picture out of there because it's really confusing. And then I'm just going to do the background on the section. And I could do background color. And let's just do my purple, right? You can do any color you want. Now to get your branding colors down here, you see where it says your colors. Once you select one of your colors, like this is one of my colors, I'm going to click one of these boxes down here, and it's going to put that color down here. Okay. So now I want to do like this text, and I can do that here. And I'm going to select this one, and I'm just going to put the pink. So those are my branding colors. Okay. And now there, every time I go to change a color somewhere, my colors will show up down there, down the bottom. Okay. So that's how you do that. Now, the other thing I wanted to bring up is when you want to change the color to the text, you have to do it inside of the text box. So you got to select it. And then the color box right here is where you're going to be changing your colors. Okay. Just change your color. To change your size of your font or your font, over here on the left-hand side, here's a little dot that you can scroll to get it to the right width. You can do the line height, put it together more, spread it apart more. Okay. This one here, I think I'm going to change this so it's on one line. So I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller, right? You can change the padding and the margins. So if you want to bring it down some more, bring it up some more. Okay. These buttons. Now the buttons are very important. When you click the button, up here at the top, you're going to see action when button clicked. If it says send form, when you put your name and email, that's what you want it to say. And it's going to take them to the next step. Okay. So that's about it for this one. We're going to go into a couple more elements on the next couple of pages. So I will see you in the next video.